Applications of fractions comparison in practice. Now let's see how the comparison of fractions is applied in practice through a couple of examples. Example 1. A student read 17/24 of a book and another student read 11/15 of the same book during the same time. Which student has read more pages during the given time? Solution 1. We have to compare the two fractions to determine which student has read more pages. In this case, it is better to find the LCM of denominators. Thus, since LCM, 15 and 24, is 120, we have the following as shown on screen. Therefore, the second student has read more pages from the book as the following shows on screen. The following on screen shows us what this means. Example 2. 27 people out of 51 in country A, and 36 out of 67 people in country B have attended college. Which country has more educated people? Solution 2. This time it is better to calculate the LCM of numerators. We have LCM, 27 and 36, equals 108. Hence, we have the following shown on screen. Thus, in two fractions having the same numerator, the biggest one is the fraction with the smallest denominator. We have the following shown on screen. The following on screen shows us what this means. Therefore, country B has more educated people than country A. That is all for lesson 3.3.8, and the end of tutorial 3.3. To continue this chapter, please watch 3.4 Operations with Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.